Now we have here two solids. One is called lead 2 nitrate. What's the formula for lead 2 nitrate?
PbNO32.
Pb
NO32.
NO3 bracket 2. So that's why it's called lead 2 nitrate. And we are going to decompose this. So are we going to decompose this? This is called potassium chlorate, not chloride, but chlorate. And when you have rate, ATE, at the back, then it contains oxygen. Like nitrate. Nitrate is also contains oxygen inside the formula. So we're going to liberate this. First, we will try potassium chlorate first. Okay? Potassium chlorate. Now potassium chlorate, as you can see, is a white solid. It's a white solid. Oh. Okay. And then, of course, the gas comes out. It will relight a glowing. It will relight a glowing spleen. That's the test for. That's the test for oxygen, right?
Yeah.
So you heat this. Not too close. Put at the sharp point here. Yeah. You heat this. And of course, this kind of test tube has to be very good glass. That will not crack when it's heated by a temperature or by a flame having a temperature of maybe about 500 degrees Celsius. Okay? So now it melts. Can you see it melts?
Yeah.
So the potassium chlorate becomes liquid potassium chlorate. It has got no water of crystallization. All right. Now you have a glowing spleen. What's a glowing spleen? What's a glowing spleen? Give me a glowing spleen. Yeah. No, some more glow. Careful, Okay, let it burn some more.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Then you put it inside. All the way in. All the way in. Don't be afraid. Hey, there you relight a glowing spleen. So oxygen is a gas that supports combustion. And even if you put it in, it doesn't burst into flame. If you put it in, say, okay, like this, it doesn't burst into flame, but it becomes brighter. That's good enough. You know why? When it becomes brighter, it means that more oxygen is around that place. Like a smoker, you know, a smoker, when they smoke their cigarette, every time when they suck it in, the amber at the tip of the cigarette brightens up, right? Because more oxygen goes in. So during your exam, you put it in, and there is not enough oxygen, this glowing spleen will glow brighter. That's good enough as a test for the presence of oxygen. So that is potassium chlorate dissociating or thermally dissociating into potassium chloride and oxygen. We will write the balance equation afterwards when we go to your book. Okay? So that is potassium chlorate. So you can see oxygen can be tucked into a solid. Okay? Now this lead nitrate has two gases that can be liberated. And these two gases that can be liberated, of course one of them is oxygen, the other would be
Nitrogen.
nitrogen, good guess but not correct. The other one will be
Lead.
a brown gas called, maybe you have not seen it before.
Lead nitrate. Right
No, brown gas called
there. Nitrogen dioxide.
nitrogen dioxide. Yeah, nitrogen dioxide. Okay, so here we have it. Now we take this and we take lead nitrate. Okay, this one will be a lot of brown gas coming out. Never mind. Oh. Now the nitrogen dioxide, I want you to use a blue litmus paper to test the nitrogen dioxide, okay? Yeah. Put it nearer to the camera. Yeah. What do you see? You see that it is
Turning brown.
turning brown. Okay, put in here. Oh, the blue litmus paper turns red.
Yay.
So the nitrogen dioxide is acidic. Nitrogen dioxide. Guess what's the formula for nitrogen dioxide?
NO2.
NO2, like carbon dioxide, CO2. Nitrogen dioxide is
Acidic.
NO2. This is a little bit pungent and it can stain your finger. We're going to stain your finger. Don't worry, put your thumb over there, yeah. Okay, put your thumb over there. Oh, hot.
Yeah,
Is
some
it hot?
Nah, just some of
Okay,
it's
okay, the
flash.
gas is hot, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, put it further, put it more, yeah. Okay, yeah. It's okay to stain, okay. There you go. Is it stained?
Not really.
Not really, yeah. Not really, okay. I will stain my finger as well. And then let's put the glowing splint in, okay? And see, light glowing splint. Okay, some more. Okay, fine. It burst into flame. So this thermal decomposition is pretty good. It liberates nitrogen dioxide as well as oxygen. So your lead nitrate formula has got both oxygen and nitrogen, but the nitrogen is not released as nitrogen, it's released as nitrogen dioxide, okay? Yeah, and the nitrogen dioxide is acidic. We'll turn the blue into red again. Yeah, turn it into red. Yay, red. And this gas is a little bit pungent. Yeah, it's a little bit pungent. And nitrogen dioxide, you see the plants the plant needs nitrogen for its molecules to form plant material. But it cannot react with nitrogen. Nitrogen is very inert, right? So the plant has to fix the nitrogen. So you got the nitrogen cycle in biology. And how do the plant get nitrogen from nature? You don't say God, you say nature. It's from lightning. You know lightning? It's very hot. The lightning is very hot. So when it's hot, the oxygen and nitrogen in the air can combine to form nitrogen dioxide, which is soluble in water, to form nitrous acid and nitric acid, which in turn will form nitrate, and the nitrate will be absorbed by the plant. Okay, so this is called the nitrogen cycle. We also produce nitrogen dioxide, but not very visible in the car combustion engine. See? So when air goes in to burn the petrol or diesel, you find that the hot temperature of the combustion engine will combine the nitrogen in the air plus the oxygen in the air to form brown nitrogen dioxide, which will be expelled from the exhaust. So these are the two main sources of nitrogen dioxide. And nitrogen dioxide dissolves in water to form nitrous acid and nitric acid, and that's where you produce acid rain. And acid rain will act on marble and limestone. Now you can see my yellow, right? My finger is very yellow. Wow. See? Yeah. So it can stain this. We will put this, maybe we'll cover this. We'll cover this. Yay! Thank you. We'll see this on YouTube. Huh?